Hi, I'm going to show you how to download some artwork from designshop.com, and then we'll open it with Inkscape, and we will also open it with QCAD and scale it to a different size. So I'm here on my Windows computer and I'm in the Firefox browser, and I want to go ahead and download this artwork. So I'm already logged in, I have plenty of credits. All I need to do now is just click the download. Okay, now it's going to give me a choice, asking me if I want to open it or save it. In this case, we just want to save the file. So make sure this box is selected and then select OK. Now you can see here that it's downloading. If I click on this, I'll be able to see the process of the downloads. So when I selected to save that, it automatically put it on my downloads folder. So I'm going to need to navigate to my downloads folder to find where the file is. And here it is, right here in my favorites. And here's the file I just downloaded. So now it's in a zipped file. You can see it here. It says compressed zipped folder. I'm going to want to open that. So the first thing I'll do is just right click on this. And then I'll say extract all. Okay, and I can just say yes, extract. All right, so now it's showing me the contents of the file that I just downloaded and extracted. And this set of files is still located here in my downloads folder. So now you can see I have two folders. One is the zipped version, and then one is the new version I just unzipped. And now here I'm looking at the contents of those files. Okay, so if I want to open with Inkscape, I'm going to head over here to Inkscape, launch the program. And now I'm going to come up here to File, and then I'm going to select Import. And now again, I need to navigate to my Downloads folder. Okay, there's the art I just downloaded. I'm going to want the plasma for this one. So I'll select Open. We can make any changes here that we want. We're just going to leave it as is. And as you can see, it did import my file. Now Inkscape is a vector tool. It doesn't work with DXF files natively, or there's a conversion that needs to happen. So Inkscape is not my preferred software for editing or viewing DXF files. So I'm actually going to go ahead and open this file in another program called QCAD. So let's close this down. And let's open up QCAD. So I'll find my QCAD program and I'm going to launch that. Again, I will say File, Import. And right now I'm looking at my downloads folder, so this is the correct one. I'll select Import. We'll need to place this on the canvas wherever we want it. Press the escape key. So now I've got the file in here and I'm looking at it. If I wanted to scale this, I can just select the whole drawing and then come up here to modify and scale. And then if I wanted to skew this or stretch it so that it wasn't proportioned exactly height and width, I'll make sure to uncheck this particular box here. If this box is locked, as these chains are linked, for example, that means that any changes in the X factor will also be equal on the Y factor. So it will scale in proportion. But if I wanted to, say, stretch it a little bit, let's say I wanted to make this a little bit longer, I can uncheck the chain link here, and then I can increase the scale factor for X. So, for example, I'll type in 1.3. That means that the length is going to be 30%, it's going to stretch 30% longer than the height. So if I click OK, you'll actually see that now my drawing is going to be stretched a little bit. Right? So now you can see that it's been stretched. If I were happy with this, then I could just go ahead and save as. And I'll just leave it, in this case it's saving to my desktop. That's fine, so I'll say and then we'll save. So we're all set. We just walked through how to download, extract, and then open files on Inkscape as well as QCAD. And in QCAD, I showed you how to scale it. All right, thanks.